As AI systems become more integrated into critical applications, ensuring they are secure and ethically used is essential. But is your AI system truly secure? AI systems can be vulnerable to adversarial attacks, where slight changes to input data can trick the AI into making wrong decisions. For example, a self-driving car misinterpreting a road sign. Another risk is data poisoning, where attackers manipulate training data, leading the AI to make biased or harmful choices. Securing your AI means defending against these threats. To build robust AI, you need regular testing and monitoring. By constantly evaluating your system's performance, you can identify weaknesses and address them before they are exploited. Implementing secure coding practices during development also ensures that AI models are less vulnerable to attack. Beyond security, ethical use of AI is critical. This means ensuring that AI doesn't just perform its task, but does so in a way that aligns with societal values. You must ensure your AI respects privacy, avoids bias, and promotes fairness, especially in areas like hiring, lending, or law enforcement. Finally, transparency and accountability are key. If your AI system makes an error or causes harm, there should be clear processes in place to address and rectify the situation. Ethical AI isn't just about technology, it's about responsibility. By focusing on security, ethical use, and continuous monitoring, you can create AI systems that are not only effective but also trustworthy and fair.